Good morning students. So today we will study formation of ethane molecule. In the last class we have studied what is the formation of methane molecule. Now we will study how is the ethane molecule formed. So ethane is sp3 hybridized. So in this first class we have seen of the hybridization, that what is hybridization, how many types of hybridization is there. So hybridization is three types: sp3, sp2 and sp. So the examples of sp3 are methane and ethane. The examples of sp2 is ethylene, an example of sp is acetylene. So these four molecules we have to study for the exam. So in methane and ethane there is sp3 type of hybridization. What is sp3 hybridization? 1 2s and 3 2p orbitals hybridized to give 4 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. So we will see in detail how ethane molecule is formed. So this is the structure of ethane molecule. The formula is C2H6, C2 and H6. So this is C2H6. So this is the structure of ethane molecule, and so here two carbons are there. So both the carbons are sp3 hybridized. So these two carbons are sp3 hybridized. So in that methane molecule, what was the formula? CH4. There was only one carbon, so that one carbon was sp3 hybridized. So here there are two carbons, so both the carbons are sp3 hybridized. What is sp3 hybridization? You know, 1s and 3 2p orbitals hybridized to give 4 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. So here 4 and 4, 8 hybrid orbitals are forming, and so how they are forming the bonds we will see. So electrons in ground state and excited. In ground state, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz is vacant in the ground state. In excited state, one of the electron from 2s goes into the 2pz. 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. This is the electronic configuration in excited state. So what happening? The sp3, 2s and 3 2p orbitals are hybridizing to give 4 hybrid orbitals are equivalent energy. How many are combining? That many are formed. But these are of different energy, but they are formed. Hybrid orbitals are of equivalent energy. So these 4 orbitals mix to form 4 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. So this is a molecular orbital diagram of sp3 hybridization. 1 2s and 3 2p are hybridizing to give 4 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. Each carbon is sp3 hybridized. So each carbon is sp3 hybridized. So this is a molecular orbital picture of ethane molecule. So two carbons are there. Both the carbon are sp3 hybridized. So this carbon is having 4 hybrid orbitals, and second carbon is also having 4 hybrid orbitals, and hydrogens are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this sp3 is overlapping to form a sp3 sigma bond. Next here sp3s sigma bond, here sp3s sigma bond, sp3h sigma bond, sp3h, sp3h, sp3. So how many sigma bonds are formed? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many sigma bonds are formed? 7 sigma bonds are formed. Here 7 sigma bonds are formed. One sigma bond is formed by C dash C bond. Another sigma bond is formed between C dash H. So 6 C dash H sigma bonds and 1 C dash C sigma bond. Here we are seeing. So when the overlapping is done here, sigma bonds are formed. They are covalent bond. And here C dash C bond is formed. C dash H bond is formed. The bond angle, as you know, is 109 degrees 28 minutes. So in this way, in the exam, we have to molecular orbital picture of ethane molecule is asked. You have to draw this diagram. So this is a very important diagram for the exam. Compulsory question is there. Molecular orbital diagram of methane, ethane, ethylene, acetylene. At least 2 diagrams will come the molecular orbital picture of ethane. In 1 mark, 2.5 mark, 5 marks, any mark question you can have. If it is in more marks, 5 marks, then you have to write in detail. If it is in only asking the molecular orbital diagram, then only the diagram you have to draw. So this is the 3D molecular orbital picture of ethane you are seeing. They are this sp3 are overlapping to form C dash C sigma bond. This 3 and 3 6 they are overlapping. sp3h, 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 like that 6 sigma bonds are formed between CH C dash H sigma bond. This red color overlapping is of sp3H and blue color is between C and C hybrid orbitals. So 1 C dash C sigma bond and 6 C dash H sigma bonds. So here 7 sigma bonds in ethane, 1 C dash C and 6 C dash H bond C. Here you are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sigma bonds are formed. Out of that 6 sigma bonds are between C and H and 1 sigma bond is between C and C. So here diagrammatically we can show how many sigma bonds are there and how this overlapping is done. So formation of ethane molecule, all these points you have to mention. The formula of ethane is C2H6. It is sp3 hybridized. C dash C sigma bond is formed by sp3 dash sp3 overlap. 6 C dash H sigma bonds are formed by sp3s overlap. There is 1 C dash C sigma bond. There are 6 C dash H sigma bond. The C dash C bond length is 1.54 angstrom and the C dash H bond length is 1.10 angstrom and the bond angle is HCC bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes and the geometry of the molecule is tetrahedral geometry. So geometry of ethane molecule, you are seeing this carbon is tetrahedral, this carbon is tetrahedral, both are tetrahedral geometry. What is the geometry of the molecule? The geometry of ethane molecule is tetrahedral. This is ball and stick model of ethane. These black colors are carbon atoms and white colors are hydrogen atoms. And these bonds are, black bond is there, C dash C sigma bond is there. This is the by the overlap of sp3 hybrid orbitals and this white bond is between sp3H. This is round because the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So 1s1. So you know that s orbital is spherical in shape. So we are showing round. So sp3s, sp3s, sp3s. So this 6, 3 and 3, 6. 6 white bonds are sp3s by sp3s overlap. That is carbon and hydrogen bond. 6 carbon and hydrogen bonds are sigma bonds and C dash C bond is by the overlap of sp3 hybrid orbital.